Hey guys, I wanted to quickly let you know about one of the, if not the highest paying affiliate programs in the world. Life-changing income potential up to 30. It's actually more than that, because if we go over to here, this is John Crestani, online influencer. He made 33,000 from one commission that he did. So I would say it's probably the highest paying affiliate program on the internet at the moment. Now at the end of this video, I'll let you guys tell you a little story that will tell you what sort of company these people are, because I think they're awesome, basically. Now they do deal, and they're basically a alternative assets company, and they've ranked top. They're ranked number one top alternative assets company in the world. Regal Assets. So let's have a quick scan through those, and I think John Crestani said that's how he pretty much got started, was with these people, the Regal Assets. So let's have a quick look through. So this is their affiliate program. If you guys want to go down and try and sign up, I'll leave links. I am an affiliate to this. Up to 3 to 5% commission on gross sales for all present and future sales. No cost for you to join or participate in. No, I'm joined up and I didn't pay 1 cent. Okay, average sales 65,000 equals 1950 to 3,250 commission. Sales 86 and sometimes 7 figures. Second tier affiliate referral compensation up to 2% on all sub-affiliate sales. New and third tier affiliate 1% on all sub-sub affiliates. So lifetime revenue share on all customer transactions on all tiers. $30 to $100 per lead. So even if no one buys anything, as long as they click, you will get $30 to $100. As long as they click to have a look, you will get $30 to $100, guys. Apply there. Now, when I first saw this, I thought, oh wow. Review some of the current international board of investment sites you would be promoting as members. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at their website, and I'll show you sort of who's back, and some really high, well-known people that recommend this site. Now my computer's a bit slow. I've got about 50 browsers open at the moment, and you guys want to go and check out John Crestani's material too. He's like his style. He sort of doesn't take things too seriously, but he's a multi-millionaire. If you want to check those out, okay. So let's have a look. This is their landing page. Okay, let's go through this quickly. I agree. Okay, so these prominent people have endorsed it. I think we all know Laura Ingram. Do your research and request your free investment kit from Regal Assets. Now guys, if you're also interested in getting your free kit, I'll leave a link to that below. Okay, Regal Assets 10-year company milestones. Okay, so they've been around since 2009, 2010. Regal Assets earned A+, with the BBB the highest rating possible. Regal Assets launched its proprietary referral software to the world. Laura endorsed it in 2012. Regal Assets become an Inc. 500 company and ranks 20 in the United States for financial services. So you're not talking about a half-baked company that's trying to be successful. This company is very successful and proved themselves. Regal Assets adds crypto. So they're also, if you want to be interested in Bitcoin, this is a company to do it. Regal Assets becomes an official Forbes Finance Council member. Regal Assets partners with a celebrity watchmaker and launched the first ever crypto watch. So they're also innovative as well. Why we're #1 in the industry. Numbers don't lie. We have maintained the highest rating profile on the precious metal industry for 9 years in a row. I think that's actually 10 now. Start your Regal IRA account in 4 easy steps. And there you go, how to do that. Now here's some, some testimonials. Why alternative assets? Why investors diversifying their portfolios. Experts agree that the financial market is now even more fragile than pre-2008. Trump's going to what do you call it? Trump wants to change the Federal Reserve, so I think it's probably the perfect time to get into gold and alternatives like Bitcoin is now. So this is what happens when there's any market decline, guys, as has been in the last week or two. The gold prices tend to go up. Same with Bitcoin. Why digital currencies? You may wonder why investors worldwide are flocking to digital currencies. Take a look at this chart showing the growth of 10K portfolio invested in cryptos, not criminals. Ethereum, so up 530 million there. Okay, billionaires are investing. So here's all the billionaires investing in metals and crypto. All the well-known billionaires. So guys, probably the perfect company and the perfect time to be an affiliate. Look at that, richest man in the world, allegedly, Carlos Slim. He's investing in it. Probably the perfect time to not only buy some gold and cryptos, but to join up as an affiliate for this company. Guys, request. I'll leave a link for the free kit below in the description, and I'll also leave a link. We can go and join up, have a look, and if you want to go ahead and be an affiliate, let's have a look. Hold on. And what you do is go and I'll put a link below to that. Don't forget to also check this guy out, John Costani. He'll tell you about this. Now guys, I'll tell you a story. Because I'm relatively new to affiliate marketing and business online, and I haven't had much experience. Like, I've been at it a couple of months maybe, and I didn't have a lot of startup capital, so I was looking for something that very little startup capital needed. You actually don't need anything for affiliate marketing, and people think, oh well, you're crazy going jump into something like Regal Assets. Guys, when I applied to join, I thought, man, there's probably no way they're going to accept me because I'm a complete noob. But anyway, I thought, why not? And anyway, I joined up. I put in my application, and I got an email one day, and it said, among they do get a lot of applicants, and they said we're happy to say that I was successful. And I've been trying to put out as many blogs and videos like this as possible. But what that does to me, guys, is tell you that they're not just in it, to help the people that already got wealth, okay? Although they are. But what that told me was they also want to help, someone who's just beginning and wants to create a business for themselves. And I think that proved to me that they were, to me anyway, to other people it might not mean anything. They might, I no doubt there'll be people out there saying, oh, they probably just accept anyone. I think you'll find that they don't. And I think it showed me what sort of company they are, and they're definitely legit, and they're top ranked for the last 10 years, backed by, some impressive people. Like I say, you've got, these three, so they're not what you'd call Johnny-come-latelys or fly-by-nighters, So, I'll leave the links below. Join up and get out there and just try it. That's what I'm doing. Why not? If you're happy with your lot, and you're happy with your job, if you're going from 9 to 5, obviously you don't need to worry, or maybe you need some more extra cash. Even, anybody can always do some extra cash, and this is sort of fun. But I don't think you could, not only you probably won't find higher commissions, you won't find a more reputable company. And guys, it is the perfect time, if you ask me, it is the perfect time to become an affiliate for alternative assets such as gold and cryptocurrencies, because anything happens in the financial world, and in the stock markets plunge. As soon as the stock markets plunge, the opposite, gold and cryptocurrencies go up. Okay, so don't put all your eggs in one basket and just have stocks, or put your money in the bank. Invest in some gold and some cryptocurrencies. I do have some cryptocurrencies. I don't have any Bitcoin, but I've definitely got some cryptocurrencies. So there you go, guys. Twofold. Hopefully this helps you with, maybe what to invest in if you're thinking about investing, and also to be while you're with this company, well, why not be an affiliate partner for this company? Good luck.